Hi bakers! Today we are going to bake almond pistachio cookies. Instead of normal flour we will use almond flour, which makes this recipe gluten-free. And there is no oil or butter added to the cookies. With only 4 ingredients this recipe is very easy to make and you can have your cookies mixed and baked in less than 30 minutes. Let's start with our pistachios. You want them as fine as possible, so use a blender or knife to chop them. Now take a bowl like mine and put your chopped pistachios in it. Then add your almond flour and mix it all together. When everything is well mixed, it's time to add your powdered sugar, and it's important to use a sieve for this. Then take 2 egg whites and beat them a little. Now add the egg white to the mixture and mix everything until a dough has formed. Don't worry when your dough is a little sticky, that's how it should be. This recipe is enough to make around 15 cookies. Now divide them into little balls of 20 grams each. Now we are going to roll them into powdered sugar. This will give a nice look to your cookies and some extra sweet flavor. Then place your cookies onto a baking tray and leave some space in between. I'm using my finger to make a small dent in the middle so we can add some extra pistachios on top. Your almond pistachio cookies are now ready to bake. Thank you for watching. Feel free to share my recipe with your friends and family, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy holidays and see you next time.